Hello, everyone. My name is Veronica Alfonso. We are in week 6. I understand that we're supposed to do a blog, a video, but I was in a difficult time, so I decided to use the regular technique that we've been using. I'll be talking about what e-government's about, how it changed since the smartphones and tablet, and also we'll be talking about new technology. So what is e-government? E-government is an electronic communication device, such as computers, internet, that provides public services to citizens. E-government was created or designed to make it easier for individuals and businesses to access government information and services, improving customer services, decreasing paperwork by going paperless, increasing productivity, and saving money. You are able to go to the website and access information you need faster. For example, unemployment benefits, DMV information, court dates, job information. The government gets more money for its IT scholars. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of e-government. As you can see, it lists advantages, which is it helps promote and enhance businesses. You're able to file forms online. High penalty for cyber crimes. Now, when it comes to let me go back. So, when it comes to advantages, you're able to offer an increased portfolio of public services to citizens in an efficient and cost-effective manner. So when it comes to disadvantages, there's no protection for domain names. An act is silent on taxation. No provision of payment of stamps duty on electronic documents. So in other words, there's a lack of equality in public access to the internet. Okay, on this slide, we'll be talking about new technology. It has its good and bad. The good part will be better attention to detail, people staying connected, do more with less face-to-face, communication with people around the world, money saving, toddlers are developing stronger motor skills. The bad part will be less interaction with people, iPads replacing babysitters, jobs being replaced by machines, human interaction, loss of human interaction, toddlers decline in growth, motor skills, decline in physical activity. Yeah, the bad part too that I noticed is that a lot of stores are closing because people are ordering or purchasing items online instead of actually going to the store and purchasing the item. That's one of the things that I've noticed. Yeah, and GPS too. What happened with using the map book in the old days, or it tells you how to get to that certain location you want to go to now, and just type everything on the GPS and it will take you to the location. Yeah, it's faster that way. So those are the good and bad about technology. So in conclusion, overall, new technology and e-government has greatly helped to make our lives better and become more efficient. Thank you.